Resol Robotics and Process Automation Private Limited has expertise in virtual commissioning with all makes of PLC. The simulation work cell is integrated with virtual PLC and HMI to exchange signals and logic. It can be seen that the fixture clamps in simulation work cell can be opened and closed from virtual HMI screen. Programs for different models can be run in simulation by entering the model number. The parts present on the fixtures and turntable status are indicated on HMI screen. This is a typical spot welding cell developed in Tecnomatix process simulate with turntables, fixtures, tip dressers, tool changers, SSW and material handling grippers. It has all major BIW applications like progressive spot welding, air spot welding, stationary spot welding, material handling, sealing and mastic application. With virtual commissioning, the complete PLC ladder logic and HMI screens developed offline can be checked and debugged with simulation work cell in virtual environment without the requirement of real PLC. This helps in seamless transition from virtual to real environment, improve quality and reduce installation downtime. Another benefit is to provide plant maintenance operators with virtual environment for training with safe and optimum conditions. After complete testing and validation in virtual environment, the offline programs developed for PLC, HMI and robots can be directly uploaded to real environment. At the end of the video, the robot interference zones can be visualized in real time on the virtual HMI screen. As the robot enters the common interference zone, the HMI screen highlights the zones in red and turns to green when moves to safe position.